We have not actually gotten any dissenting voice from this particular meeting. What we got was a resolution and a motion that was moved by the former Speaker of the Oyo State House of Assembly and the present minority leader, supporting that the list of candidates that were elected on the 30th of October at the Liberty Stadium should stand as the state executive of Oyo State APC.
There's nothing bad in what has happened. The Congress Committee has submitted their report to the headquarters. Anybody that is aggrieved to go to the headquarters. I, as the leader of the party, have no power to change anything from what has been written on the 30th of October 2021. And the appeal committee too has to submit its report to the headquarters. Those are the people that can change whatever they want to change. Those people from Abuja even have no power to change anything from the list that they've submitted. So we want the headquarters of the party to take appropriate action against those people who are trying to sabotage the effort of the party in the state.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.